In this lecture video, I am going to explain pointer in C. So before going to explain pointer, first you should know about memory variable. So what is memory variable? It is the name given to the memory location in computer's RAM to store a value. Suppose we consider a variable int I, int I equal to 10. So what does it mean? Int I equal to 10 means it reserves a memory location in computer's RAM to store a value. The name of the variable is I, the value is 10, and suppose 1000 is the address. This is the name of the variable, name of the variable, this is value, and this is memory location or address. Memory location or address. So how can we access the value of the variable? That means how can we access 10? So to access the value of a variable, either you can use name of the variable or you can use address of the variable. So both either name or address you can use to access the value of the variable. Since you can access the value of the variable by using address, so you can store this address into another variable, and that variable is called pointer variable. Suppose we consider a variable I. This is the variable I, value is 10. Suppose address is 1000. Suppose another variable we consider, that is J, and its address suppose 2000. If you store 1000 in variable J, so by using J, we can access the value of I. So here I is called value variable. I is called value variable, and J is called pointer variable. Pointer variable, and this value is 1000. Now let us come to definition of the pointer. So what is pointer? This is value variable and this is pointer variable. How can I define pointer variable? Pointer variable is a variable which can store the address of another variable. So why we use pointer in C programming? What are the advantages? By using pointer, we can save the memory. By using pointer, we can access one-dimensional array and two-dimensional array quickly. We can save memory. We can allocate memory dynamically. That means at the time of running the program. So different purposes we can use the pointer. Now, what are the operators used at the time of using pointer? So there are two types of operators we can use mainly. So that is ampersand, another one is star operator. So what is ampersand and what is star? Ampersand operator is called address operator. It is called address operator, and star, it is called value at address operator. Value at address operator. Now we discuss what is ampersand. This is address operator. So what is the use of address operator? Suppose you declare a variable int I equal to 10. So int I equal to 10 means this is I, the value is 10, address is 1000. If you want to access the value of the variable, then you have to use address operator. That means in this case ampersand I equal to 1000. So how can we access? To access the address of a variable, you can use the control string percentile %u. Percentile %u is for unsigned integer. So if you want to access the address of the variable of I, you can write a statement like printf percentile %u double quote over ampersand I. It will give the address of the variable. So clear what is address operator? Address operator is an operator which can use which can be used to access the address of a variable. Let us come to what is value at address operator. Understood? So now we discuss what is value at address operator. So star is called value at address operator. What is the use? Int I equal to 10. So this is I 10 1000. So what is the use of star operator? This is the value at address operator. It is used to access the value at a specified address. So if you want to access the value at a specified address, you can use star operator. So star then ampersand I. Ampersand I means your 1000. Star ampersand I means the value is 10. So indirectly we can access the value of the variable. That means instead of I, if you want to access the value by using star operator, you can write star ampersand I. Now, how to declare a pointer? Pointer declaration. The syntax is first you write data type, then star, then pointer variable name. Pointer variable. The syntax is like this. If you want to declare a pointer variable, first you write data type. Data type may be integer, character, float, etc. Then star, then pointer variable. So what is the example? Int star p. So here p is a pointer variable which can store integer type data. Similarly, if you p is a pointer variable which can store the address of an integer type data. Similarly, float star fptr. So fptr is a pointer which can hold the address of a floating point data type. Similarly, char star cptr. Char star cptr. cptr is a character type pointer. What does it mean? It can hold the address of a character type variable. So these are the pointer declaration. If you want to declare more than one pointer of same data type, you can use like this. Suppose I want to declare a number of pointer of integer type. So int star p1, comma star p2, comma star p3. In this way, you can declare more than one pointer variable in the same line. Now, how to access the value of a variable by using pointer. So, before accessing value of the variable by a pointer, first you declare a pointer type variable int star p. Since p is a pointer which can store the address of a variable, suppose we consider a variable int I equal to 10. So I is equal to value variable, p is the pointer variable. Now you assign p equal to ampersand I. So what does it mean? If you see the diagram, this is I 10. Suppose this is 1000. This is p. Suppose address is 2000. P equal to ampersand I means it can hold 1000. If you want to print the value, just use star then p. Star p means it will give the value 10. So if you want to access the value of a variable by using pointer, first you declare a variable, then declare a pointer variable, then you assign the value by using you can assign the address by using ampersand symbol. If you want to access the value, then you have to use star p. Suppose I want to write a simple program to explain how to access value of a variable using pointer. Now I will write a C program using pointer. Suppose this is main function int I equal to 10, star p is a pointer variable, then p equal to ampersand I. Then if I want to print the address and value of the variable, so here you can write like this: printf I equal to percentile d backslash n I. You can access the value by using the variable name. Then if you want to access the address, printf address of I equal to percentile u backslash n ampersand I. Then printf value of I by using pointer, value of I equal to percentile d double quote over star p, because p holds the address of I. In this way, you can, the first line prints the value of the variable by using the variable name, second line prints the address of the variable, and third line print the value of the variable by using pointer. So this is a simple program using pointer. Thank you.